Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate a bill of materials, also known as a BOM, using Stack's latest interface. This process helps you accurately calculate material quantities, reduce errors, and improve your overall project planning workflow. First, log into your Stack account and open the project where you want to generate the bill of materials. Once your project is open, navigate to your drawing sheets and begin performing the material takeoff. After completing your takeoff, go to the Reports or Materials section from the main menu and click on Generate Bill of Materials. Stack will compile all your measured items into a clear and organized bill of materials, including material descriptions, quantities, units of measurement, and cost estimates if pricing data is available. Review the bill of materials carefully to ensure all quantities are accurate. When you are satisfied, click Export and choose your preferred file format, such as Excel or PDF, to download and share the report. Always double-check your measurements before finalizing your bill of materials. Accurate quantities help prevent material shortages, reduce costs, and keep your project on schedule. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. See you in the next one.